Okay, now let's add our roster to the bot. For easier management, we want the bot to import the roster from a Google spreadsheet. This allows people to update the spreadsheet without having actual access to the dashboard. First, let's create a new block. We'll call it roster. For this, we want to use the Zapier plugin. You need to have a Zapier account to proceed. If you don't have one, you will be asked to create one. It's free. Let's click Create a Zap. Click Create a Zap. Choose Google Sheets as a trigger. Let's say Updated Spreadsheet row. Connect a new account. This will head us to Google. Allow offline access. And let's test. Great. Okay, let me show you the spreadsheet I created earlier. This is the setup. You will need to define a title for the card, a subtitle, the image URL, the buttons, the button title, and a button URL if you want to show buttons. This will then generate gallery cards in Messenger. So let's head back to Zapier, Rocket Roster, worksheet is sheet number 1. Continue. Okay, let's test it out. Looks good. As an action, we want to use the chat view for Facebook app. Let's connect our Chatview account. Okay, for this we need the key which Chatview generated down here. So just copy and paste it into the Chatview key field. And we are connected. Use the title for the subtitle, image URL, card URL. No, we don't have that one. And button 1 title, URL, button 1 URL. Cool. That should be it. Let's press continue. And let's call it Rocket Roster. Okay, Zapier will now check our spreadsheet every 50 minutes for changes. If there's a change, Zapier will update the gallery card in our bot. Now, to access the roster, we will need to add an entry to our menu. So, let's go to roster. Done. And that's about it. Now you can wait about 50 minutes and we'll show the gallery cards created from our spreadsheet. Okay, we need to update our menu first because it's still the old one in our chat. Let's just send menu. And here we go, here's the new menu. Here we can now check our Twitter. Okay, it looks like the NFL didn't tweet meanwhile, so we first need to wait for them to tweet, and then all the new tweets will appear here. So let's check out the roster. Okay, it looks like Zapier didn't add our second roster member yet, but he should appear any minute. Let's head back for now.